JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Suwanee, Georgia this afternoon. It's about 12:30. This is a repeat customer. It's a 6-area job. Basically, it's 4 bedrooms, stairs, and a hallway. As you see, there's a nice big spot right there at the top of the stairs. Spot there. Rest stuff is in pretty good shape. We clean this regularly, every couple months or so. But I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough here. So like I said, we got the master, 2 secondary rooms, and I guess what we call a media room, and stairs. So we'll knock this out. Okay guys, it's 1:30. Just finished up this $240 job. This is the ideal, perfect job. It's not every job is like this. We're at the top of the stairs here. You can see that spot is gone. But it's ideal from the standpoint of, number one, it's a repeat customer. They get their carpet cleaned every couple months, so there's not a, usually don't walk into a disaster with spots everywhere, things of that nature, so they know what to expect. They're not home, so you don't have to engage obviously in any conversation, so you can get in, get the work done, and get out. It'd be nice if every job was like this, but they're not all this good. But a lot of our repeat customers are in this kind of condition because they know how to take care of the carpet. They don't use the wrong stuff on the carpet, that kind of thing. Again, we do not charge extra for spots. You know, there are guys who will say that, you know, the only way to clean carpet is to a truck mount. Most of our customers we've had are repeats, referrals. We've had repeat customers since we started. They happen to love the way we clean carpet, so we don't go after the truck mount business. We go after the fun, easy, profitable stuff, and we can teach you to do that as well. Like I said, this was a $240 job. It took us about an hour. Cost us probably $5 in materials. Cleaning solution, I probably used, I don't know, 2 gallons through the whole area. I did also use a disinfectant. I'll put a little screenshot of the invoice I sent. So if you're interested in starting your own business, you know, carpet cleaning, floor care business, we probably do 99% of carpet. Very little tile and grout, but the carpet is really quick, really easy and fun. Get in contact with us. We do have a special right now. We can teach you everything you need to know for $500. It is a limited time offer. This is first part of July 2020. I believe today's the 10th. We will discontinue the offer sooner or later. Appreciate you watching. Take care, and we'll see you next time.